When kids never see cash, how to teach your kids financial literacy in a cashless society. Children today are growing up in an increasingly cashless society, as cards and electronic payments can now be used instead of checks, paper money, and even coins. Whether it was in a piggy bank or a children's saving account, cash was how previous generations learned about the value of money and savings. Today, children may rarely see their parents use cash. Some parents even electronically deposit money into their children's accounts for allowances and payment for chores. But having cash is a learning experience for children. It teaches them how to count, how to spend wisely, and gives them a sense of ownership. So how can parents teach their children about money when most of their transactions are on a card, a phone, or a computer? Here are a few ways for parents to jumpstart their children's financial literacy in a cashless world. First, actually use cash. Pay your children in cash for an allowance or when they get a gift check or gift card. Have them put the money into a jar where they can see it accumulate or diminish. Take your children shopping for small purchases and use cash to pay for things. They can see how money is used to make purchases and how change works. Next step, introduce your children to the bank. When that piggy bank is full, take your child to the bank to open a joint account. Give them a passbook to take to the bank for subsequent deposits of their savings. They'll see how money grows and have a tangible reminder of it. Take your children to an ATM now and then, so they can see how you take out money from the bank. Consider these fundamental steps to teach children basic financial literacy using cash. Once you've gotten this far, you've built a foundation for your children to understand non-cash payments, such as checks, debit, and credit cards, as well as the foundation for good spending habits. For smaller children, point out price differences between products, whether you're at the grocery store or shopping online. Tell them about coupons and discounts. Let them watch you pay bills online, so they know the cost of things from cable television to electricity to a cell phone, as well as understand how money can move without anyone touching it. When your children are tweens, explain to them about credit cards. Show them your card when you buy something with it, and explain you're actually waiting to pay rather than paying right away. Finally, give them a card, a prepaid card. When your children are mature enough to start spending money on their own, consider getting them a prepaid debit card drawn from their bank account. Go over your children's purchases with receipts and online, showing how making a purchase directly leads to a lower account balance. Financial education is a lifelong endeavor, but don't be shy about starting your children early, especially in a cashless world. To learn more about your children's financial education, visit regions.com/insights.